pictures with BG, and I had to fill in because I'm the better brother, and we're at Scarborough Renaissance Fair. So come on and check it out with us.
Now we hump a jet. Yunty beers go try. The little lady was a gittle lurl, and the wuggly old itch has named her Parunzel. Yeah, Parunzel. Probably because Moonbeam and Rainbow had been taken.
I don't know.
You know where you went?
I don't know where Jackson is.
Have you noticed that a few of my colleagues have been hit a little hard with the druid stick?
That's so funny.
Hang on. Okay, this is a true story. It is a several true stories strung together, and the first one of these happened way back.
And it's giving like a super healthy.
We already have some.
He was like, oh.
Oh boy! Seats for the Pinwheel Sideshow sure are filling up fast! This group just got back from the Queen's Feast, and boy, are they stuffed!
Sweet and flavored stuff on this side, or regular crap on the other side. Our best sellers, the blondies, we usually recommend those. The sweet, smaller, mild one.
If you can't tell by now, my jokes are unbearable!
Hey!
They can get a little frizzy! So just pick fine. Don't like the jokes? Give it a hair. This is the newest member to the stuffed audience, and I think they're the perfect addition. Thank you. Thank you. I named her Carol Baskins.
Hey, no, bring her back.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be super hot.
Anyway, I am what you call a problem in the sideshow industry. Kick her out of the group chat. Also, a human blockhead. What that means is I can take this nail and drive it beep, beep, into the center of my skull. And it's about right here that I start to feel the hamster back up in fear. So, here we go. A nail in my nose.
Fortunately, I don't. I can't smell it. Oh, really? I haven't been by just for 10 years. Oh, that sucks.
Everybody shop. I want you to have stuff. You know what? That is the amount of clapping I deserve for this joke. To be fair, I picked it out just for you.
Or you can say wondrous. Wondrous means awesome.
The human blockhead. Now, fun fact, guys, depending on which way I turn this, I get different radio stations.
see, we got some fish and chips. It's pretty much just regular fare food. It's pretty good. It's one of the few vegan options or vegetarian options that they have.
You can choose the plates in different amounts, like we say, like first to 3 or whatever. Those flower spots that you roll again and keep you protected. So if you land on one, you just get the horse can land on you. You're off. So that way you're in your position. Yeah, it's your station.
I'm about to go to Boston and pour my tea in the river myself.
Right?
My goodness, something's got to give.
Hi.
You guys have fun.
I sat in school one day. Like, first day and we weren't
Crochet hooks.
Nice.